Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to start a Python bootcamp. So here this is actually especially for absolute beginners. So I will explain Python lessons, basic level to advanced level. So therefore, please be with my video tutorials. Then you can gain good Python knowledge. So if you want to learn Python simply, then please join with us. Before I go to the video, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Then I don't want to explain how to install Python and how to install Visual Studio Code for Python. So I don't want to explain these things. Now I want to explain Python program language simply. So today let's see how to use print function in Python. Actually it is very easy to understand. I use Visual Studio Code to write codings, to write codes, then how to print something using Python. So it's very simple. Just say I want to print a number, then what you should do is you have to type print within brackets the number. So if I want to type a text, what I should do, print, so within inverted commas write the text, then save it. Let's run our code. Yes, you see my two this is my outputs. Now this is number and this is the text. So they are the code works. So this is how to use print function in Python to print something. So when it comes to Python, indentation is very important. So here when you write Python codes, you have to consider about the indentation. So it is means you have to keep space between block of codes. So now usually you can keep 4 blocks. So it is up to you. So 1 block or 4 block, it's up to you. Then I'll show you how it works. For example, just say if 5 is greater than 2, so this is my logic, then print five is greater than 2. Right. So this is space we call indentation. So Visual Studio keeps this indentation automatically. Let's see and run this code. Python test.py. You see it works properly. So what happens if I ignore this space? So if so, what happens? Then you see it gives an error, indentation error. So here expected an intended block after if statement on line 1. So therefore you have to consider about indentation when you write Python codes.